Hey guys, so welcome back to Flutter Tutor for Beginners. This is the part 11 of the series, and today we are going to learn about single child scroll view. So in the previous videos, we learned about list view builder and list view, right? Both of them basically help you make this list, right? For example, let us say you're trying to make a profile page, right? So in the profile page, suppose you have a purple box over here, and there you have written your username and followed by the email ID, and below that you want to have a card in which you have another list which gives you option like edit profile, update my password, or about the app, and below that you have a elevated button called log out, right? That you can use list view, but as you can see, list view or list view builder does not give you a lot of option to customize the list, right? So what you can do, if you have a very little scrollable widgets list, you can compromise the efficiency for the customizability using single child scroll view and the column combination. Let me quickly demonstrate that. So here, now instead of center, let me have single child scroll view. Okay, and let me just do this. And now it will have just single child because it's a single child scroll view. Now I can have a column, right? And what does column have? Multiple children, and children are basically a list of widgets, right? For example, I want to have a container, please, thank you. And that container has a, for example, that container, let's give it a decoration. What does, what we can do to decoration? Box decoration, I guess. Yeah, obviously, I mean, in box decoration, let us give it colors dot purple. Not, I forgot which. Yeah, we are following this, right? No, I guess it was deep purple. I actually forgot what is our primary color. Let me just quickly check that where I have defined it. Oh yeah, it's deep purple accent. Yeah. Why it's giving me error? Okay, it should be capital, right? Let us see border radius. Border radius dot circular. Let us give it circle 12. Okay, define a child, and child will again be a center, right? And center can have a child will be, I guess, let us give it a column, and in column again children, and in children you can have let us say text, right? And text you can have mm, dummy user, okay, and followed by the another text. Text will have, suppose, email ID dummy.user@gmail.com. Now let me just quickly reload the app, and as you can see, it's out of the area. So remember what I told you about that. Okay, let me just have this inside a safe area, right? Safe area. Okay, thank you for the concern, but I don't really need this. Yeah, it's in the safe area. What should be the height? I will say 240, and width, I don't know, 240 again. Let me reload. Yeah, height is okay, but I guess width can be around 300. Okay, apparently my deduction was wrong. Let's just have a 350. Yeah, perfect. Now, okay, why did it reformat on its own? This is really annoying. Okay, now let us give it style. What can be the style? Okay, first of all, textile. Textile, where is it? Yeah. Textile. I want to color as colors dot white. Hopefully, yep, white, right? And font size. Font. Okay, sorry. I was thinking about bolding it while typing, so I basically just did that. and font weight. Yeah, and okay, wait, yeah, font weight dot bold. Okay, and let me just copy this and just let me paste it over here. And okay, let's just give it here. Now what I can do, just I want it to be a bit smaller. Let us say 14, and let me just reload the app. Okay, it's way too small, so let me just give it 24. I hope so. Okay, 24 is it still small, so what, 36? Yeah, I would say it's okay. Let me then do one thing. This is 14, right? I can make it 16. And yeah, I seriously need to reset my Visual Studio's settings again. This, right? And what would I say? This should not be bold, right? It's looking kind of weird. Yep, I would say it's okay now. So what I can do here, I can have a, oh, right, wrap this with a container, I guess. And I can name this container as a padding, and I can have padding is equal to edge, come on, edge insets dot not from only what I want from top. Yep, I would say it's all right. And what I can do, uh, let's just for let me just say it. Yeah, looks all right for me. Let me do one more thing. Before this container, I can do one more thing. I can have sized box, sorry, it's not size, height of, let us say, 12. Okay, I will say it's okay. So now let us move on. Okay, as you can see, it's not still scrollable because I don't have many elements on the screen. But now let us say I want the options of those about app, logout, and change options, right? Now what I can do, empty sized box to give a proxy distance, and let us say 24. I guess it will be too much, but let us just check for now. And let us say we want a list style, okay? And in list style, I want to lead with icon. I want an icon, and the icon will have this. Okay, I will just copy the data from here. I already have a list style, right? Yeah, I'm not in the mood to do the coding once more. Get rid of subtitle and this, and the text I can have edit profile. In the icons I can have person, okay? And yeah, obviously I want to disable this. And now what I can do, I just need to do this. Just hold on a second. Okay, let me just copy and paste this. And yeah, I guess I have demonstrated this on tap and on long press, so I don't need to, because I have some other functions for in mind for them for the later videos, right? And what more do we want? Let me just copy this bit, right? And this child I can change with. For now, I don't think so. Let me just have a basic elevated button, right? Elevated button, and it does not have these. It will have on pressed, and for now on pressed will do nothing. And the child will have a text. Text will say log. Okay, designing and thing like how to design elevated button, I have planned it for the later video. For this, I'm just trying to make a basic looking layout, so it's still not taking up to enough space to demonstrate the single chat scroll view. Now let us say you want your app to display some ad, and for some reason you decide to show it before the logout button or something. I don't know, that's a very, I don't know, it seems pretty awkward to have a ad over there. But let us say we have an ad, right? It's elevated, but and I can just, to save some time, I can configure the this container settings, hopefully. Where is the, where is the padding is ending? Okay. Okay, I can have container height, yeah, whatever. I don't really care about the. Okay, so let me just check. Okay, why did I copy this? Like I can have padding inside the container. I really didn't need to wrap the container. I can have padding inside container as well. Yeah, right. And let me just say this is okay. Sorry, horizontal, vertical, right? And vertical also 12. Okay, as you can see, it is looking really awkward. I'm not gonna lie. I I have no idea what I was thinking. As you can see, we have a logout button is sandwiched between the advertisements. I don't know. Okay, I did not control plus X there. I control plus C. Oh, that's why. Okay, let me just end this misery over here. And as you can see, you are able to scroll, right? So what is the difference between the list view and this thing, right? The single child scroll view and the column combination, right? So the basic difference between this single child scroll view, it's rendering the whole page. It is rendering like from this pixel to this pixel in one go, and it does not matter if this pixel is showing on the screen or not. For example, that login button is still rendered in the memory even if it's not on the screen, right? Now let's come back to the this page. Oh, come on. I Yeah, now let us say we had like product till product 100, right? So the product, for example, the product 8 is the product displayed here, from product 1 to product 8 or 9, whatever number it's till it's displayed and it's currently on the screen. The list view will make sure that it is only rendering the widget which is currently on the screen. So in terms of efficiency and to save the memory, list view is more efficient. But now look here, as you can see, list view, it's not very customizable, it's not very flexible, right? So it's really good for the list. For example, in your list wants to like WhatsApp, you want to show the contact list and the chats, right? So it's really good for that. But now coming back to the single child scroll view, right? Let me come back. Now as you can see, we had a very different kind of widgets we wanted to show, and the number of widgets were quite less. So we can compromise the efficiency for the customizability and use this, right? Single child board plus column. Now let me just, okay, it is looking really weird, so I will just remove this, please. Yeah, so yeah, for now it's having the single chat scroll view and the column combination is totally pointless. So let me just not get rid of, oh, okay, what, excuse me. Yeah, let me just do this, and this, and Visual Studio refactored the code for me. Thank you very much. Yeah, as you can see, it's okay now. So that was the single child scroll view and the difference between list view. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that like button And if you're new here, then consider subscribing. I will be posting more videos like this. So see you next time. Until next time, goodbye.